had a nice sleep, and we're now having breakfast at the Premier Inn. We are on the train. The next stop is Bourneville. We are going into the chocolate factory. Follow me, it's this way. Here we are, out front of Cadbury World. This is Super C and Will I Am. Welcome to Cadbury World. It's a python. It's a python. Sorry we couldn't film in there, it was very good. Now we're heading into the chocolate factory.
Here we go.
Find the cocoa pots. They're full of cocoa beans. Collect as many as you can.
You do it, Molly, you're doing more than me. Count the monkeys go to the train.
Hold tight.
So I shoot it all onto the train.
Whoa!
Do I get eaten on a roller coaster?
Good work. Let's go.
We made all this chocolate on that ride. Next up, we're going to do chocolate diesel.
To the left and you spin to the right. You jump up and down like you be here on the front. You shiver and you quiver, got away from the ghost.
We had a great time at Cadbury World, and now we're heading back to the train station, and we have lots of chocolate to last us back to Plymouth.